Do you have lots of ingredients in your fridge but you don't know what to cook? Let me share this powerful website with you. Well, you might be wondering, how will that help? Let's find out. You see this website, myfridgefood.com. Here, this is what you can actually do on this website. On this website, you have quick ingredients, quick ingredient lists. But this is what you can do. You can click on show all ingredients. So when you click on show all ingredients, we have ingredients, detailed kitchen ingredients under beverages, we have under bread, we have under canned food products, we have cereal, we have condiments, dairies, and so on. So let's pick. So let's assume I know what's in your fridge actually. So just relax and let me pick for you. Let's say we have coffee. Sorry if I don't pick yours. Sorry if you have so let's say we have coffee. Okay, in bread we have is it there chocolate. Okay, we have buns, French bread. So then we have under canned food, we have cream of chicken, veggies. Under cereal we have flake cereal. So let's stop there, and then you click on this find recipe. So you see we have iced coffee, we have mac cheese stock. So let's say pasta and pizza here. Filter recipe. So we have mac and cheese stock based on what you picked. So it gives you the cooking time is 10 minutes. We have the calorie, the fat, the carbs, the protein. It gives you the category. We have pasta and pizza based on what you picked. But we have missing ingredients. I just pick randomly, and that's mac and cheese mix. So you can actually go get that mac and cheese mix, and then you use that to complete your cooking. So that's how simple it is. So now you know what to eat.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell below. Love you.